Steak Crunchwrap, people. Let's get involved. Woo! Check it out, baby. Hello and welcome to BBQ Jams. I am your host, Wil Blumberg, and tonight, guys, we're going to be cooking up an amazing steak crunch wrap. It's going to be killer. We're going to be cooking it on a griddle tonight. You guys need to hang tight for that. It's going to be incredible. So who do we have tonight, guys? We have Robbie Lee on guitar, we have Ryan Cobb on bass, and we have Ian Atkinson on keys, and myself, Wil Blumberg, on drums. So without further ado, let's get involved, people. Boom! Let's get started. We're gonna go in with some bell pepper. I'm gonna chop them up and dice them into little cubes. And also gonna dice up some white onion here as well. So let's get involved. All right, so next we're gonna go on with our bell pepper and our onion. We're gonna saute those up, take them back off, and then we're gonna be popping our steaks on the flat top. So here we go. Okay guys, we've got these flank steaks all seasoned up. We're going on the griddle, so here we go. Just popping them on. They're gonna be fast cook on these. All right, cool. We'll be right back. Guys, we're gonna let these steaks rest for about 10 minutes. Ryan Cobb's pouring up some beautiful margaritas. We'll catch you back here in a minute. Woohoo! Okay, I'm gonna slice up these flank steaks, get them all ready to go. I'm gonna start putting together our crunch wrap. So here we go. So we're gonna start assembling these crunch wraps on the flat top here in just a second. I'm just getting this meat all stirred up, ready to go. So you guys hang tight, here we go. All right, cool. Go. All right. Okay guys, we're gonna go on with some Mexican style cheese, and I've got this larger tortilla set here, so I'm gonna spread some of this on. I've got this creamy melt Kraft over here I'm using. Next, we're going to be going on with some steak. Oh yeah. And some peppers and onions. Looks delish. And, yeah, keep the sounds going, it's good. Jeff doesn't have to put in those sound effects. Woo! Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. And some more cheese. So, but wait, we're not done. You also get another tortilla shell. It's gonna be a little bit smaller though. I'm gonna press that down. We're gonna fold, fold, fold. You catching that up there? Okay, cool. All right, we're gonna fold again, and then a final fold. There we go. And now we're gonna be putting this on the griddle. Georgia, watch out. Oh, this is gonna be good. Yeah.
Dude, this is gonna be a cheesy explosion right here. See how we're looking?
Beautiful. Okay, ready to pull.
Work is a lot of the employees, their kids did a few.
Here we go. Hold on tight.
I have no idea what that accent is of yours.
I don't know either, but oh la la. Oh baby. Are you guys catching that right there? I think I'm gonna quarter these.
Okay.
So everybody can come in and get their bite on, get their whatever on. If you guys want sauce, it's all right here. Ooh. Y'all ready for this?
Woo! Fully involved.
Da, 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 da. Okay guys, these steak crunch wraps are ready to get devoured. I'm gonna bring the guys in, we're gonna try them out, and we're gonna see what happens. So we've got some sauces here also from Taco Bell, and we're gonna, you know, see how I did. So without further ado, here we go. We're gonna bring on Robbie Lee over here.
Happy to go first.
Yes. What's going on, Bubba? How you doing, sir?
Pretty good.
All right, choose your weapon.
This one looks like it has the most steak in it that I can see.
It does look pretty good. Yes, I'm going in with you too, by the way.
Sweet.
And you know what? I'm gonna go in without a sauce first.
Me
and
too.
Then
I'm
gonna check it out. And see
I'm
what
not a
happens.
sauce guy in general, so
Not a
I will be
man.
the sauceless
I am
review.
all about the condiments for sure. But hey, it's all good.
Yeah.
Here we go.
That's real good.
So beautiful.
You know, I'm not generally a big fan of onions, but grilled
Yes.
with all that seasoning in there is a total element that I would miss if it wasn't there.
Huh. Okay. Yeah, it's got a nice crunch to it.
Yeah.
It's nice.
Well, crunch
Wrap. Yes, that's true.
Hopefully.
Yes. But hey, guys, get involved with some of these crunch wraps. Oh my God, dude! I can't wait for some of these jams tonight.
Yeah.
I can't. It's been so long since I've had them over, and your dad's over all the time.
I know.
Such a pleasure having
He's
him.
retired. I'm busy.
Yes, exactly.
Come on.
But hey, look, we're gonna have some fun tonight,
Yeah.
bro. Let's get
Sweet.
involved. Come on now, and we've got Ian. So Robbie hooked us up with Ian tonight. He's gonna come on in. What's going on, bro? Come on down.
What's up?
Good to see you,
How we
sir.
doing? How we doing?
Oh, dude, I'm doing great. Go for it, man.
All right. I don't know which one of these.
Okay, so you got an avocado, you have a chipotle, you have a mild and a hot.
Let's be bold and go with the chipotle.
Okay, go chipotle. I'm gonna go actually avocado. All right. Cheers, sir.
Cheers.
Woo. Yeah.
This is
Oh.
good.
Oh, you guys are missing out over here. I'm telling you right now. So good.
They'll get their chance. Oh yeah.
Bro, I can't wait to hear some
Oh yeah.
These action going on. Man.
Absolutely.
Great.
I'm excited to be here. Thanks for having me.
Hey, my pleasure, man. Awesome.
Do it.
Let's bring some other people on. We got Ryan Cobb over here. What's up, baby?
What's up, dude? How you doing, man?
Come on down.
Glad to be back.
Yes. Are you excited about
Excited to try these. Yeah,
over here, buddy?
Pretty tasty.
Just dive on in.
I think I'm gonna go no sauce right
No
here.
sausage?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Hey, it's all good. You do you. I'm gonna try this one out right here. It looks pretty good.
10 out of 10.
Oh,
These
bro.
are fantastic. Yeah, dude. Taco Bell hates this guy.
Oh my God.
Taco Bell wishes they were that guy.
Exactly.
Dude,
You know?
so good. Oh man. I know. A lot going on there. I'm making a whole bunch more too. So I'll be excited.
Yeah, I'll be lined up for some more for sure. These are
Woo!
fantastic.
Ryan. Can't wait, brother.
Pleasure, dude.
Killer jams, dude. All right. How's it going? Thanks for hanging out and wanting to be a part of the show. It's always a good time having you on. Hey, grab one of these guys, get involved, go check it out, see what you think. Pick a winner, any winner. Ooh, I'm gonna go in for some of this dippy over here. Oh yeah, Chipotle. Yeah. Go for it. Cheese pull. Cheese pull. Is there a cheese pull thing you do? Yeah.
I didn't get any meat in this burger, but it's so good.
Oh, nice. Very good.
What are these two?
So we have mild and hot, right? Is that how they're set up? I'm a sucker for the hot sauce. I love it. And that chipotle is really good too.
This is really good.
Awesome.
did it again.
Thank you so much for being here and hanging out. Always a good time. All right, cool. Hey, we're gonna see who else we're gonna bring on over here. Martine, we have James Salzer.
All right.
Come on down. What's up, bro?
brother?
How's it going, man?
Great.
Hey, dude. You excited about a crunch wrap?
Yes.
All right.
Smell incredible.
You gonna try a little sauce? You going in?
I'm gonna try it
without first.
without.
Okay. Give her a shot, bro. A lot of different flavors going on in there.
Excellent.
Pretty good, huh?
Excellent.
All right. Nice.
Probably say something about the onion.
The onion? Yeah. It's got a nice little crunch to
Awesome.
it. The veggies are
Awesome.
key. You gotta have the veggies in here. For sure.
Incredible.
Sweet.
Incredible.
Nice.
I'm gonna try some of these.
Ooh, I knew you were gonna go for the
I'm gonna-
avocado.
yeah.
That's
I'm
the
gonna
one
let
right there, buddy.
James come and get some.
Come on down, James Salzer.
Yeah.
How you looking, buddy?
Hi. Looks great.
Well, I got a really funny story about James Salzer and
Oh.
Taco Bell sauce, but we'll talk about that later, right, buddy?
All right, I'm gonna try one without.
Without the sauce
Yes,
first?
definitely.
Okay, well, give it a shot.
I take the.
Woo.
I don't want that little.
Okay, all right. Let me get it for you. You got it?
I think I got it. You gotta put your beer down, James.
Yeah, never. There it is. Wow. Ooh, hey. Whoa.
God, that's
Get
great.
involved. Get involved with that thing, bro. That is good.
Which one's the hot one? Let me try hot.
Oh yeah, go left, go far left. See what happens. Oh yeah, I gotta get the dip on that one for sure. Come on now. Come on. We're all waiting.
This is wonderful.
Alright, sweet. We got a waterfall over here, everybody. James Salzer, it's always a pleasure, sir. Thank you so much for hanging out. Alright guys, we had an excellent show tonight. Oh my god, these steak crunch wraps turned out incredible. What'd you guys think of those steak crunch wraps? Oh my god, it was incredible. Yeah. Hey, by the way, we have a couple of newcomers over here. Actually one, Ian, we're gonna bring him down. We're gonna hook him up with some merch from the merch company. That, by the way, thank you very much, Derek Enner. Hey, check it out, man.
Yeah. Perfect.
Hooking you up with some swag over here.
Awesome. Thank you.
Yeah, dude. Hey, thanks for being on the show.
Appreciate you having me, of course, man.
Yeah, man. Hey, look, you've been BBQ Jams, so there you go. Awesome. And we got Robbie over here. Come on, Robbie.
Robbie.
I've been around, but it was pre-merch.
You
so.
have been around, dude. Thanks so much for hanging and being a
Heck
part of the
yeah.
show. And wanted to hook you up with a hat. And because it's a long time coming, you've been around since the beginning. And
I need to make it bigger.
I know. Actually, I don't even know if I buttoned mine. I just put it on. Go for it, dude. There it is.
we go.
Oh
Got a
yeah,
hat.
styling, looking good, buddy.
Barbecue
The sticker
Jam.
off here. There we go.
Cool.
Now we're good to go.
Hey, we got you a nice shirt here, bud.
Thanks, sir.
Yeah, man. Hey, look, it's official. You've been BBQ Jams. Blah, 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 blah. Anyway, guys, hey, thanks so much for tuning in, liking, subscribing, and all that fun stuff. We're having a ball out of here. So anyway, we're going to catch you guys next time. Peace.
Wonderful,
Barbecue
wonderful
Jam.
barbecue
Hey.
jam. Barbecue jam.